Hi everybody, this is Ankita here from Education State, and today I'm going to talk about Ireland education. We all must have seen that it's quite buzzing around when it comes to studying abroad, and I'm going to talk about why and what is in store for Ireland. Before that, let me talk about myself. I'm an IT engineer myself, and I've worked as a software engineer with Tech Mahindra. I did my MBA from University of Leeds, United Kingdom. Post that, I was recruited by British Petroleum, and I worked there for as a financial manager. So this is my background, and in 2010 I left my job, returned back, and then started to Education State. So it's been past 10 glorious years mentoring such wonderful students like you. Saying this, we are bringing such content to you to share our understanding about what is in store for you, so that you can pick up the best destination, best course, best career path, and that is what we are putting all our efforts towards. So today's topic is on Ireland. Ireland, if you would have seen, popularly it's been up on the chart for last 7 years. Before that, it was always UK, US, Australia, Canada, and other destination. Why is the question which everybody should ask. Because Ireland has benefited a lot because of a lot of policy changes for technology companies in Europe, and mainly because of Brexit. So due to which a lot of technology companies found a lucrative base in Ireland, mainly in Dublin, Galway, Cork, all these popular cities in Ireland, wherein all these technology giants, I would say, like Apple, Facebook, Oracle, even Indian counterparts like Infosys, TCS, all have formed their European base in Ireland. Saying this, the giants are there, the jobs are there, the base is too big, however the skillful people were less. So the government decided that we should give more impetus towards education in Ireland, and hence since last 7 years it has become such a booming destination, because not only they provide education of great quality, it is economical, and they also give you a stay back option and also a permanent residency way. So this is why students have found a great destination to study when they are considering to go for their masters or undergraduates. So the most popular programs, definitely, as I was speaking, is technology. May it be artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, business analytics, computer science, electrical engineering. All of these are way too popular out in Ireland. Apart from that, but you should not get this sense or this feeling that the other courses are not popular. If the companies are there, the industry is there, of course there are a lot of other opportunities. Apart from IT, there's pharma, there is healthcare, there's research, there is finance, there is HR. All of these courses are way too popular when it comes to Ireland. So whatever course you're looking out for, just have a check with us. We will definitely like to share our input on which country and whether Ireland is suitable for you or not. Saying this, the universities are few. There are only 8 to 9 universities in Ireland, and there are some 10 to 11 institutes. All of them are quite popular. All of them are fast filling. That means it is way too early that you have to start your process to apply to Ireland, because the seats get filled as soon as possible. They also have two intakes, September and January every year. The universities are like few of the universities like Trinity, University of College Cork, University of College Dublin, NUI Galway, Maynooth. These universities are not only popular in Ireland, but they are worldwide recognized universities. So saying this, if you're looking for the top-notch universities, you definitely need to apply almost 10 to 11 months prior. The application material for Ireland is pretty much same as what it is for United Kingdom or most of the other destination, but let me just pull that out for you. We require a statement of purpose, we require 3 letters of recommendations, CV, transcripts, and extracurriculars or work experience, whatever you have done. These are optionals, but this is how the documentation process goes for Ireland in this case. Okay, as I said, they are quite fast filling and they are quite attractive and competitive. It's mainly because they have lesser class size. So the supply demand is well balanced. That means that the Irish government have started impetus on education, but they don't want to over bombard the situation. They want to keep a perfect balance. So they are having as much as seats as much the industry can absorb. Now what could be good enough, right? So it is well taken care in all these aspects, and definitely a destination which will provide you to study, which will provide you to work as well. Most of the masters are for 1 year. However, yes, there's a differentiation between different courses. Could be a year and a half, could be 2 years as well. September is their main intake. Most of the universities have September intake only. There are very few universities and courses open for January. So please keep that in mind. So if you're looking out for September 21, we have to start the process as soon as possible. IELTS is the next test score required. GRE is not required for masters, it's optional. However, GMAT would be required if you're looking out to go for an MBA program. Okay, so this is how IELTS is simple, easy and quite effective. Now coming to the opportunities, 1 year course or 2 year course, you get a 2 year stay back option in Ireland. So you get a work visa, you stay there. They also have permanent residency as an opportunity open to you. So their requirements is very simple. You stay in Ireland for 5 years. The moment you stay in 5 years, the 6th year you can look out to apply for permanent residency. They yet do not have any point systems as what Canada, Australia or other destinations have it. So Ireland is a very easy peasy country to go in. Yes, very competitive to get through. So you need to start your profile building. You need to work upon your aggregate in your bachelor's. Very important. Okay. So as you're not looking at any aptitude test like GRE or any of the others, they definitely would want a good student with a good aggregate. So typically you're looking out for 6.5 CGPA or 65% up. But of course, if you are lesser than that, there are still options and opportunities which we can look out for you in this case. So Ireland tuition cost and living cost are quite economical. The total cost of your education would be around 20-22 lakh rupees happily. So most of the masters range from 12 to 15 lakh and the living cost range from 5 to 6 lakh rupees a year. So typically you're looking out for an expenditure of 20, at the max goes to 25. So this is how it makes a lot of sense to students who desire to go out, who wants to have quality education, but of course have a sensitivity towards the money that they have to spend. So we understand that, and that is what we can offer you if you have the profile, and we can help you to build your profile as well. Saying this, Ireland, the typical salary packages after your masters range around 50,000 euros to 60,000 euros. So the return on investment would be very good. You typically return the money that you've invested within say 2.5 years of staying in Ireland. So this also is a very important question for Indian students, because we all want to know that how our return on investment would be. They also allow you to work part-time. So every student is allowed to work part-time 20 hours a week. You get paid around 9 euros to 11 euros per hour, and if you do the maths, which we all know about, you typically earn around 6 to 7 lakh rupees a year, and this helps you to remove your living cost on your own. So if you have the energy, and if you have the motivation to go out of your comfort zone, challenge yourself and work hard, definitely every destination you choose, any destination you choose, is a wonderful destination to go in. There is no solved answers. You typically have to put in your best efforts to get the result, the job, the pay package, all what you want. So ideally you have to work towards it, and you have to challenge yourself. But yes, the platform is ready for you. So Irish universities are more than welcoming to you. In fact, most of the country is English speaking, though yes, Irish is the national language, but it's very easy, and it's very easy on English. So definitely, like other European destination like France or Germany, you need not worry about language barrier here. So this is very important, I feel, and that would give you a very good edge, because we all being very easy and comfortable with English, it becomes a comfort zone for us. So you can also go on 1000ie.com. Basically, it's a website which lists down all the popular jobs, the kind of jobs, the companies which are there in Ireland. This is not only going to help you with understanding what job roles are there, but also prepare with what job description they have. That means what kind of candidate are they looking out for in the Irish companies, and this will help you to be better prepared. So I can give a lot of tips on how you can be more employable, but that I'll store for some other video. But Ireland definitely is a destination to go in. It serves a tick on every aspect. So if you're looking out for Ireland, get in touch with Education Street, because Education Street believes in one principle which we serve throughout. We help students and we serve students. We are not serving universities only. So that is why we are very honest, we believe in clean counseling, and that's what we've been supporting every student of ours since last 10 years. So please follow us on our handles, Education Street, at Education Street, STREET. So Education Street on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, it's the same. So you can join us there, you can know about us, you can get confidence about us, and you may write to us as well. Our website is www.educationstreet.in, and if you have still any questions, you may write to us and our counselors will get in touch with you. So I hope this video was useful. Please give us your feedback and we would try to better ourselves. Thank you from Education Street.